Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to change your featured blog post image in Hostinger website builder. First, go to blog. As you can see, these are my blog posts. Click on one of them. Then from the top menu, click on post settings. And now go to featured images tab. As you can see, this is the featured image to replace. Click on replace image. You can select one from your already uploaded images from your media library, or you can go with the free images from the Unsplash service, or you can upload it from your computer. Now let's go with this image. Click on add to page, then hit save. And don't forget to update your website. Now let's see my home page to check this blog post featured image. As you can see, this is my new featured image, and this is how to change your featured blog post image in Hostinger website builder. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.